Hello students, welcome all of you. Last lecture we have already studied topic number 3a, demand analysis, meaning and definition of demand, individual demand and market demand, and individual demand schedule and market demand schedule also already studied. Then in a individual demand and market demand, when you study, then are clear. Individual demand means a single buyers or single consumers demand, and market demand means all buyers or all consumers demand. So when you study the individual demand schedule and market demand schedule, then are clear. When price increases, demand decreases. When price increases, demand decreases, and vice versa. Price decreases, demand increases. So the relationship between price and quantity demanded, inverse relation, means price increases, demand decreases. So in example, when price of sugar increases, demand decreases, and vice versa. When price of sugar decreases, demand increases. So decreasing or increasing, or price falls or rise, that effect on quantity demanded, study through the individual demand schedule and market demand schedule. So in graphical presentation, demand curve downward slope, demand curve downward slope from left to right, demand curve downward slope from left to right. So today we study why demand curve slopes, downwards from left to right, or reasons justifying downward sloping demand curve. Reasons justifying downward sloping demand curve. So number 1, law of diminishing marginal utility. Number 2, income effect. Number 3, substitution effect. Number 4, the multipurpose uses, and number 5, the new consumers. These are the 5 reasons justifying downward sloping demand curve, means why demand curve downward slope from left to right. So detail number 1, law of diminishing marginal utility. Friends, we have seen the topic number 2, utility analysis. In utility analysis, marginal utility goes on diminishing with an increase in the stock of a commodity and vice versa. Means when consumer consumes extra units of any commodity, total utility increases, but marginal utility, every extra unit when consumer consumed, additional unit when consumer consumed, then marginal utility goes on diminishing. Just see graph, then are clear. You know, here graph on x-axis units of commodity and y-axis marginal utility. So marginal utility diminishing. So on y-axis 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, and quantity on x-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So when consumer consumed first units of commodity, marginal utility 10, then second marginal utility 8, then third marginal utility 6, then fourth marginal utility 4, then 2, 0 and minus 2. So We now study the marginal utility curve MU. They now clear when consumer consumed extra units of commodity, marginal utility also decline or decreases, and after maximum satisfaction means where maximum satisfaction marginal utility is 0, and after maximum satisfaction to start this utility means minus 2. So therefore a consumer tends to buy more when price falls and vice versa. Means the law of diminishing marginal utility explain that every consumer behavior try to maximum satisfaction, because when price falls quantity demand increases, because the MU curve also decline from left to right. So this implies that demand curve is a downward sloping. So number one reason, law of diminishing marginal utility. Second reason, income effect. In case of normal goods, when price falls, purchasing power, real income of a consumer increases. Listen carefully once again. In the case of normal goods, cloth, wheat, jawar, maize, sugar, when price falls, purchasing power means our real income increases. For example, a consumer consume 10 units of apple. 10 units of apple is equal to 100 rupees. When price falls, 10 apple is equal to 70 rupees. Then here consumers 30 rupees. 30 rupees means price falls because of 30 rupees remaining. So here 30 rupees consumers income increases, means real income increases, means the purchasing power increases. So which enables him to buy more of that commodity. This is known as income effect. Just see here, then you are clear. Income effect, the change in consumption that results when price increase cause real income to decline, you feel poor. Means when price increases, automatically our purchasing power decreases, because you feel or we feel poor. Then the opposite is true as well. When price or prices decreases, you feel richer because our purchasing power increases. So income effect means when price increases or decreases. When price increases, our purchasing power decreases, and when price increases, our purchasing power decline or decreases. Means price increase or decrease that affect our income level increases or decreases. It is called real income. Means purchasing power increase or decrease that affect on our quantity demanded. So generally consumer behavior is our income level increases, automatically consumption level increases. So income level increase through the price falls, means when price falls, quantity demanded increases because of demand curve downward slope from left to right because of income effect. Next, number 3, substitution effect. In case of substitute goods, means alternative goods, when the price of a commodity rises, when the price of the commodity rises, the consumer tends to buy more of its substitute and less of that commodity whose price has increased. This is known as substitution effect. For example, tea and coffee, two substitute goods. When price of tea increases, automatically consumer quantity increase or demand coffee, because tea and coffee also substitute. So here just see another example, Parle biscuit and Tiger biscuit. When price of Parle biscuit increases, Parle and Tiger, suppose here substitute, then automatically Tiger biscuit demand increases because price increases of Parle biscuit. So here substitution effect. Another example, Pepsi and Coca-Cola, Colgate and Cibaca. These are the examples of substitute goods. Means in case of substitute goods, when price of a commodity rises, the consumer tends to buy more of its substitute goods and less of that commodity whose price has increased. Means Parle biscuit price increases, automatically consumer Parle substitute Tiger biscuit demand increases and Parle biscuit demand decreases. It is called the substitution effect, because here effect on price means price increase or decrease of substitute goods that affect our quantity demanded, means here demand curve downward slope from left to right. Next, number 4, multi-purpose uses. Friends, when a commodity can be used for satisfying several needs, when a commodity can be used for satisfying several needs or multi-purpose needs, its demand will rise with a fall in its price and fall with a rise in its price. For example, multi-purpose uses: electricity use in our household, all types of elements or equipments, washing machine, fridge, printer, computer, fan. So multi-purpose uses, example of electricity, when price of electricity units per unit increases, automatically demand of electricity decreases, and vice versa. Electricity units per unit price decreases, then automatically demand of electricity increases. So multi-purpose uses like that example of electricity. So demand curve downward slope from left to right. Next, new consumers. When the price of a commodity falls, a new consumer class appears who can now afford the commodity. Thus total demand for commodity increases with a fall in price. So in a market, when new consumer consumes any goods or commodity, consumers behavior when price falls, quantity demanded increases, and opposite, when price rise, quantity demanded decreases. So here price increase or decrease that affect on quantity demanded new consumer, because of here same relation, inverse relation, quantity demanded and price, because of demand curve downward slope from left to right. So today reasons justifying downward sloping demand curve. Reasons justifying downward slope demand curve. In reasons, total 5 reasons. In 5 reasons, number 1, law of diminishing marginal utility. Number 2, income effect. Number 3, substitution effect. Number 4, multi-purpose uses. And number 5, new consumers. Friends, if you like this video, please all of you like and share and subscribe. Then my next video notification available for you. Okay, thank you.